What's up, y'all? So, on my to-do list for today, I was supposed to change the toilet seats on all the toilets in our house. So, what I wanted to do was make a video not just about changing the toilet seats, but how to upgrade your toilet to a bidet. So, for those who don't know, a bidet is basically a water fountain for your butt.
You think you run the asshole by the car wash?
Most people don't know that you don't have to buy a new toilet to get a bidet. You don't have to have an electric outlet. Now, of course, without electricity, you can't warm the water, but you can get an aftermarket bidet and put it on any standard toilet. So even if you live in an apartment, you can upgrade your toilet. And one of the benefits of having a bidet is the decrease in how much toilet paper you spend, especially with inflation being what it is and availability of toilet paper becoming an issue. You can save yourself a lot of headache with that. So come with me. I'm gonna show you how to do this. All right, so first things first, ever so often we decide that we're going to change our toilet seats because, after so many flushes, the underside gets a little dirty and stained. So we change them out. This year, we're switching to soft close. I hate the sound of the toilet seat crashing. So I'm going to switch these out. And right now, we already have the bidet on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off, all the way off, and show you how to put it on. We bought this, I believe, off of Amazon, so it wasn't that expensive. I think it was maybe 30, 40 bucks. First thing you want to do is make sure your toilet is clean, because you don't want to put your hands on residue, you know what I mean? So I'm not going to show you, or I'm going to spare you the details of seeing me clean the toilet, but I'll come back in a second and show you how to take the toilet seat off. I'm going to take the bidet off, and then I'm going to put the bidet back on, put the new toilet seat on, and we'll go from there. Okay, so toilet is clean. First thing we're going to do is take the toilet seat off. So take off the old seat, pop the covers off, the screws. As you can see, it's got 2 screws. Usually use a Phillips head, but you don't have to. In most cases, the toilet seats just need a screwdriver and a wrench for the bolt underneath. This particular toilet seat doesn't actually need it because it's got a little handle on the bolt. So you just grab that and start to unscrew. All right, that's one. Do the same thing on the other side. All right, and voila. Toilet seat is unattached. So just pull this off and dispose of it. And now, as you can see, this is the bidet. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more since the toilet seat was on there. But this is the bidet. It's very simple. Got your controls over here. For the back, ladies for the front, and then to clean it off. This is the pressure, the knob. You make sure that you want to know what your pressure is, because it can get quite strong, and honestly, it'll clean your whole inside out if you let it. So you want to make sure that your water is off. So you see the valve under there. Make sure you turn that off. And then flush your toilet. I'm going to take the lid off. You're still going to have some water in there. So what you want to do is get a bucket. And then when we take the hoses off, that water will leak out into that bucket, so you don't get that all over the floor. Let's go ahead and unscrew these. First things first, let me make sure that my bucket is in there. And then, and grab my wrench. hose have an adjustable wrench. Loosen that up, and bingo, starts to come off. So we are going to reconnect everything. So this piece goes to the water valve. Make sure you connect, that bolt right here. This one connects to the other hose. So let's put this back on. Make sure it is in position because these hoses can get a little stiff. And you'll want to make sure not to tighten it just yet, because you want to make sure everything is in position, because once you tighten it, you don't want to have to untighten it and create a bunch of extra work for yourself. Now we are going to set some water in the hose, connect the bottom side of this. So make sure you line that up with the thread, and get that on there. Doesn't have to be super tight just yet, like I said. And then the next piece goes to the tank of the toilet. And then essentially at this point it's connected. Make sure it's in position that you want it to be in, and then go back and tighten everything. Now, your bidet should be completely connected. The first hose connected from the water valve to the tank. And let's see if you can get a better angle at it. That hose is connected into that connector. From there, it goes into the tank and comes out of that connector through this hose and into your actual dispenser. So once you got that, this is designed to sit underneath your toilet seat. So we will put this in place, connect the toilet seat, and then turn on our water and give it a test. So this is designed for this to line up with the holes that are in the toilet itself. And then once you have that lined up, put your toilet seat on top of that. All right, so we will go ahead and unwrap this. Sorry for the noise. Opted for the slow close toilet seats this time. So it should come with a couple of screws and some bolts. This particular brand of toilet seat has another piece that helps to keep it in place. I'm sure everybody has experienced at some point a toilet seat that slides, and that sucks. Let me tell you something. You go to sit down, it slides, and now your bare cheeks are sitting on the rim of the toilet. And if you got kids, you know, their aim ain't always the best, feel me? So I will go ahead and get this put on, but making sure that I have all the pieces that I need without dropping them and losing them, of course. But got your screws, your bolts, and these particular ones actually are pretty good because they can use a socket wrench, which makes connecting it and and tightening it a whole lot easier, let me tell you. And then, like I said, these are the two pieces that will help keep your toilet seat in place. So I will go ahead and get this lined up and get it connected. Screw these in. They're different from your normal screws because, as you see, there's no cap on it. So these go straight into the, I don't even know what you call these things, but whatever. You know what I'm talking about. So let's get this lined up. Get these put in place. And then just like that, toilet seat and bidet is underneath the toilet seat. On this particular bidet, it comes in two pieces. So once you put them together, lock it in place. That keeps this connected to the part that connects to the toilet and keeps it from falling off. So everything is in place. Last thing to do is to actually test the bidet. What I'm gonna do is test the cleaning function, because if I test the regular function, the water will spray straight at me. So what I'm gonna do is click this button here, and as you see, go straight into the toilet. So we are now functional and toilet seat is attached. And as you can see, it takes its sweet time to close. And that, my friends, is an installed bidet and a changed out toilet seat. For anybody that, needed this information, happy to provide it. I appreciate y'all stopping by. If you like this content or want more information about little things to navigate your life, let me know, drop a comment. Again, like, share, subscribe. Appreciate everything. Peace.